When educators are selected to participate in NOAA's Teacher at Sea program, they gain hands-on research experience working at sea with world-renowned NOAA scientists. Teachers then bring new insights back to their classrooms across the U.S. But the experience of their voyage is an individual one. For this weekend, several Teacher at Sea alumni come together to meet one another, to continue their education, and to share their common experience. The Southwest Region Alumni Workshop offered teachers the chance to share photos, lessons, and experiences from their trips to sea. And while touring NOAA's Southwest Fisheries Science Center in La Jolla, California, teachers met top ocean scientists and got a closer look at their work. They also had the opportunity to explore the nautical history of the area on a visit to the Maritime Museum of San Diego. Alumni bonded through team-building exercises and faced new challenges. They learned about the science of sailing aboard the tall ship Californian in San Diego Bay. On the way, teachers assisted crew in hoisting the massive sails. They navigated through an ocean regatta and enjoyed each other's company. While they may not have known each other before this weekend together, sharing their common connection provides yet another chance to amplify the experience of the NOAA Teacher at Sea program. As a result, they'll create even deeper impact on classrooms and inspiration for students across the country.